Hi, welcome to mycutetoons. Today we're going to draw Chief Duggard from Dragon Rescue Riders. So grab your marker and follow along with me. So right in the middle of the page, we're going to draw a nose. You're going to draw an oval shaped nose. And then right on top, we're going to draw a mustache around the nose. And on this side, I'm going to try to copy it exactly. And then I'm going to leave a little space open and I'm going to draw the bottom part of the mustache. And we're going to do the same on this side as well. And two little balls at the end of the mustache. Now right on top of the mustache, we're going to draw the eyes. And I'm going to draw it from the top of the mustache, nice and round, connect it back. And on this side I'm going to do the same thing, nice and round and connect it back. Now we can draw the pupils and the irises as we always do. And of course the light reflections. Let's fill the pupils in. Right on top of the eyes, eyebrows. And then right on top of that, we're going to draw a hat. Nice and oval round at the bottom. And make it sort of a triangle shape. And then from both sides, we're going to draw the horns. Start up here. I'm going to draw a nice big horn coming back, and then I'll try to copy it the same on the other side as well, and all the way back, and there we got two horns. And now on both sides we can draw the ears, so you just draw two little hooks on both sides of the head. Just leave a little space open. We're going to draw the hair now, and then from there you're going to make it nice and round to the ear, and it goes nice around to the ear. And now we're going to draw hair. Connect it back and connect it back. And we're just going to make two little inner ears as well. And now we can draw a smile, a nice big smile. And below that, we're going to draw teeth. There we go. And now we can just draw a little shape here for where the beard begins, like this. And now from here we're going to go down to the beard. I'm going to start on this side, and I'm just going to draw a little beard, and I'm going to stop like that, and I'm just going to try to copy the shape, and then I'll connect it with a round curve. There we go. And then we can draw a little knot in the beard, and then the final piece of beard. Now we're going to draw the belt first before we go to the body. So right behind the beard, I'm going to try to draw a nice circle. We're going to draw an inner circle as well. And now we're going to draw the belt. I'm going to start here, and I'm going to take the belt just a little bit past the beard. I'm going to bring it round like this, and on this side I'm going to do the same thing, just a little bit past the beard, and make it nice and round and curve it back, connect it to the belt buckle, and then we're going to draw two circles on each side. We're going to draw a little buckle right there, and then of course a little buckle right there. And now we can draw the torso. Make it nice and round, and nice and round. And just make a little crease on both sides. Now from the crease, we're going to draw the sleeves. And now from up here, we can make it nice round shoulders. On this side I'm going to do the same thing, nice round. And then here, just make two lines down for the head. Now let's draw the armband. So he's got this bracelet or a band around his arm, quite big. And you're going to draw 2 circles there. And let's do the same on the other side as well. This is going to be his wrists. Now we can draw the arms. He's got quite big arms, muscular arms. The top and the bottom. Top and the bottom. And now it's time for the fists. So I'm going to make it nice and round, and I'm going to stop. Then I'm going to do it again, and I'm going to do it again. Let's do it on this side. Nice and round. And we have 3 fingers. And now we can do the bottom of the shirt. So first I'm going to just make a few, you don't have to copy me exactly, just a few curves everywhere for the shirt. There we go. And now we go down to the boots. Just going to draw the inside of the legs sticking out like this, and maybe there also an indicator line for me, so that's how big his legs would be. Now we can draw his boots. So I'm going to just make a series of loops, and on this side let's do the same thing. There we go. And maybe on this side I will do this. And there we go. And let's do it on this side. And here maybe do something like this. And now we can draw the feet. I'm going to go down, make it nice and round, bring it back and connect it. Let's do the same thing on this side as well. Good. And there's Chief Duggard. Now you can look at my picture and you can try to match the colors. And I'm sure your picture will turn out great. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you soon. Bye bye.